Okay, so this is the review. So I'll start with number 1. The total number of seats in an auditorium is modeled by this function, f of x equals 3x. All right, number 6, again, I'm sounding like a broken record. You got 2 sides, put one side in the other side, find your solutions. This is ridiculous. Okay. So number 7 is where they're going to get you to think a little bit. They give you the sides of this little shape, and they say if the perimeter in this figure is 85 centimeters, what is the value of x? So we're looking for a specific value. First of all, what is perimeter? Around. So I got one side right here that's x squared. I'm going to add it to x plus 27 plus x plus 17 plus x plus 13. And this time they're asking for a specific value, so I want to know when all of this is equal to what number? 85. So again, you have 2 sides. One side like this, and then one side all of this. Just plug it in the way that you see it. Your calculator will still give you the answers. Just know when you're finding perimeter and you measure anything, you're measuring something in meters, can you have a negative value? So do not let them trick you with your negative solutions, okay? You know this is talking about something real. We do not measure with negative measuring tape, do we? Everything's positive. So no big deal. This is number 8, the one that I think all of you will get confused on because your answer choices. So obviously your solutions are not going to be pretty numbers. So I'll do this one for you. So we're going to plug this in. One side and my second side, so 5x squared minus 9x. Whew. And then my other side is y equals 16. I'm looking for where they cross. Boom and boom. So clearly those are really ugly decimals, right? So, pick a letter for me. A. A for Adrian. We're doing that. Okay, so I'm going to pick this. First of all, they're saying one of the solutions is -6. What does a plus or minus mean? One as a plus and one with a what? Minus. So we'll try one of them. You picked A, so let's try the plus or minus first. Plus. So we'll do -6 plus square root of 15. So -6 plus square root of 15. And all of this was being divided by what letter? 7. Oh. Yep. So this one, here's my 2 solutions. I have a 2.902 and a -1.01. Does that match this decimal? So can that be my solution? Absolutely not. So all you have to do, and I can just eliminate it. Once I tried one of them, it didn't work. That cannot work. It won't be my solution. So you'll just try them, and only one of them will work, okay? So that's it. You just type in what you see, and if the decimals match, that's your answer. Oh, you do not need me for number 9. You're just going to plug this in the way that it is. And remember, guys, real quick, how many solutions can you have? 1, 2, and how many? 0. You can have 2, 1, or none. So don't let it trick you, right? We're used to 2, but it's possible to have 1, and it's possible to have none. Can we have 3 or 4? No. 2, 1, and none. Okay? And then the last ones, I'm going to do 1 because all 3 of them are the same. So they give you this equation. You're just going to plug it in like that, right? X squared plus 9x plus 14. You'll plug it in, blah, blah, blah. If you get your solutions, do you remember how to find your factors? Just know that your factors are opposite sign of the solution. So, for example, let's just try this one. No. Okay, so you had a positive 7. So in the factor, wait. Which one of these is wrong? One of these is wrong. Oh, this one. No, which one of these is wrong? I forgot. But for this one, once you find the solutions, you'll find your answer. But just also know, like if your solution is -7, the factor has to be positive. -2, they just flip signs, okay? So that's how you know. But you really don't need to know how to do that, because once you find the solution for all of them, you'll know your answer. It's that easy. All right.